In computer networks, two main protocols are TCP and UDP. We will understand the difference between TCP and UDP by comparing their features one by one. First is, what is TCP? TCP is Transmission Control Protocol and UDP is User Datagram Protocol. TCP is a connection-oriented protocol. This means connection is first established before data transfer. UDP is connectionless protocol. It sends data without creating any connections. Next comes the speed. TCP is slower because it performs reliability check like acknowledgements and retransmission, whereas UDP is faster because it does not perform these extra checks like acknowledgement and retransmission. Next is reliability. TCP is highly reliable. It ensures that data reaches the destination. So it is highly reliable. UDP is not reliable. Data may be lost during the transmission. Next is data delivery. TCP, in TCP, data delivery is guaranteed. In UDP, there is no guarantee that data will reach the receiver or no. Next is error checking. TCP provides strong error checking using acknowledgement and flow control, whereas UDP provides only basic error checking using a checksum only. Next comes acknowledgement. TCP sends an acknowledgement after receiving the data, whereas UDP does not send any acknowledgement. Flow control. TCP supports flow control, which controls the speed of the data. Flow control means it controls the speed of the data transmission, whereas UDP does not support flow control. Next is transmission, retransmission. If data is lost, TCP retransmits the lost packets. In TCP, lost packets are retransmitted, but in UDP, it does not retransmits the lost packets. Order of data is, in TCP ensures that data arrives in a correct order, whereas UDP, data may arrive out of order, means data may not be in correct order. Next is the complexity. TCP is more complex because its reliability mechanism, whereas UDP is simple and lightweight. Use cases, TCP is used in email, file transfer, web browsing, and UDP is used in video streaming, online games, and voice calls. TCP TCP first establishes a connection. We have learned this. Next, it ensures that data is delivered correctly. There is no data loss and proper order of data. Means there is a proper correct order of data is transmitted in TCP. If data is lost, TCP retransmits it. Example, we have seen that email, file downloads, web pages like HTTP and HTTPS protocol is used. Next is UDP. UDP does not create a connection. It sends data directly and quickly. There is no confirmation or retransmission. Once the data is lost, it will not be retransmitted. Some data loss is acceptable. So, for example, video streaming, online gaming, and live calls like Zoom and WhatsApp calls.